Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this baby hat for 0 to 3 months size. I have made it with 3-ply yarn and attached a heart to it. So let's get started. I am using a 2.5mm crochet hook for my project, but you can use any type of crochet hook or yarn. First of all, wrap the yarn around the fingers and with the help of crochet hook make a magic knot, and after that take this yarn and make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go through magic ring and draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. This is our first double crochet stitch. Excluding the 3 chain, make another double crochet stitch into the magic ring, make another double crochet stitch into the magic ring. So in this way make double crochets into the magic ring. So make total of 12 double crochet stitches including the 3 chain. So I have made 11 double crochets plus 3 chain, total of 12 double crochet stitches. Now pull this yarn and close the magic ring. To complete the first round, make a slip stitch into the third chain. So our first round is completed. For the second one, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. So after 3 chains, these 3 chains will also be counted as a double crochet. Now into the same chain 3, make a double crochet stitch. Now we have 2 double crochets including the 3 chain into the same stitch. Now into the next double crochet stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, so in this way into each of the stitch we would make 2 double crochets, so that at the end of the round 2 we would have total of 24 double crochet stitches in the 12 stitches of the previous round. So make 2 double crochets in every stitch till the end of the round. So I have made 2 double crochets in each stitch. To finish, make a slip stitch into the third chain. Second round is also completed. For the third one, again make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will also be counted as a double crochet stitch. We would increase into the same stitch, so make a double crochet stitch into the same chain 3 space, chain 3, and after that into the next stitch we would make 1 double crochet. So make 1 double crochet into this stitch. Now into the next one we would do an increase again, so make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, then into the next stitch again make 1 double crochet, and into the next one again do an increase, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. So in this way 2 1 2 1 and 2 1. Repeat the process in every stitch and complete the round. So I have made all double crochet stitches. Now with the help of cutter, cut the starting yarn tail and now to finish the third round, make a slip stitch into the third chain. For the fourth one again, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch, and make an increase into the same stitch. So make a double crochet and now into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, again into the next stitch, make 1 double crochet, and now into this next stitch do an increase again, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now again into the next 2 stitches, make double crochet and into the next one again make 2 double crochets into the same stitch, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Again into the next one make double crochet 1, again into the next one make double crochet 1 and into the next one again do an increase by making double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So in this way we would complete our round by making 2 double crochet stitches in 2 stitches and make 2 double crochet stitches into the same 1 stitch, which is an increase, and complete the round. So I have completed my 4th round. To finish it, make slip stitch into the 3rd chain, now for the 5th one make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and do an increase into the same stitch. So make a double crochet stitch into this 3rd chain. Now in next 3 stitches we would do simple double crochet. So make double crochet 1 in 1 stitch, double crochet 2 into the 2nd stitch and then double crochet 3 into the 3rd stitch, and into the 4th stitch we would do an increase. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch, again make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3 in the next 3 stitches, and into the 4th one again make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So in this way we would increase after 3 stitches and complete our 5th round. So I have made all double crochet stitches right here. It is almost 4 inches. You can also make 4.5 according to size of your baby. Now make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. So if you are using a 4-ply yarn, you can decrease the round. I am using a 3-ply yarn. Now we would change the design and we would make granny strips. So for the granny strips, make 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Make a double crochet stitch into the same, chain 3 and again make a double crochet stitch into the same chain 3. After that, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into the third one, again make 3 double crochet stitches, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3 into the same stitch. Now again skip 2, 1, 2, and into the third one, again make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3 into the same stitch. Now again skip 2 and into the third one, make double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2, and double crochet 3 into the same stitch. Now repeat the process till the end of round 6. So I have completed my strips. Now to finish the round, make a slip stitch into this third chain, and again we would start working into this third chain for the next round. So make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch, and make 2 double crochets more into the same chain 3. After that, start work into the next first double crochet stitch of the 3 double crochets. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Skip these 2 double crochet stitches and into the next first double crochet stitch of the 3 double crochets, make 3 double crochets into this stitch. Again into the next first double crochet stitch, make 3 double crochet stitches. So in this way repeat the process and make 4 rows more like this, total of 5. So I have made total of 5 rows of granny strips. Now we would do single crochet, make chain 1, make a single crochet stitch into the same chain 3, make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch, make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch, and in this way make double crochet a single crochet stitch into each double crochet stitches across, and in this way we would make 3 single crochet rows. So complete these rows. So I have made 3 single crochet lines, make a slip stitch into the starting single crochet stitch, and now we would make shells at the end of our hat. For that purpose, skip 3 single crochet stitches, 1, 2, and then 3, and skip 2 and into the third one start working. So make double crochet 3, double crochet 4, then double crochet 5, and the last one is double crochet 6. Now again skip to 1, 2, and into the third one make a single crochet stitch. So this is our first shell. For the second one, again skip 2 and into the third single crochet stitch make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, then double crochet 3, and double crochet 4, then double crochet 5, and last one is double crochet 6. Again skip 2 stitches, and into the next single crochet stitch make a single crochet. So in this way we would make shells. So again repeat the process, skip 2 stitches and into the third make a shell by making 6 single crochets into this 6 double crochets into this single crochet stitch, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and then double crochet 6 and skip 2 and make a single crochet into the next single crochet stitch. So make shells till the end of this round. So I have made shells. Now 3 single crochet stitches are left. So skip 2 and into the third one make a single crochet, and after that make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch of the first shell and close the round. Now pull the yarn and cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now weave this yarn end with the help of yarn needle at the back side of your work. I have woven the yarn end at the back side. So this is the back side and this is first front side of our hat. Now you can attach this heart in this shape and in this shape also with the help of yarn needle. So attach this heart. In place of heart you can also use a simple 5-petal flower. Tutorial of this heart and 5-petal flower is already available on my channel. So thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye.